Some talk of Alexander and some of Hercules, of Hector and Lysander and such great names as these. But of all the world's brave heroes, there's none that can compare with the Tau Rau 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 to the British Grenadiers.
Whene'er we are commanded to storm the palisade.
It's no wonder that butter's a shilling a pound. See them rich farmers' daughters, how they ride up and down. When you ask them the reason, they say, bonny lass, there's a war off in France, so the cows have no grass, and honesty's
prête-moi ta plume pour m'écrire un mot.
Коробушка есть и ситцы, и парча. Пожалей, душа, зазнобушка молодецкого плеча. Выйди, выйди в рожь высокую, там до ночки погожу.
Oh,